Hi, Passionators. I'm back for round two. Why? Because I can. And because there's still a few more minutes of sunlight hanging out, and the weather is still gorgeous, and there's still so much to say. So I thought I'd come back and give you guys a chance to come back. If you didn't catch me the first time, maybe you'd like to chime in now. If there's something specific that you'd like to talk about, let me know. But for now, I'm going to get started. Thanks for sharing, Byron. Uh, Thank you, James. Good to see you too. I want to talk about this anger and ego issue because it's such a huge issue and it keeps coming up in so many ways, so many relationships, just on Facebook alone. Everybody's fighting. Everybody's mad. Everybody is trying to out mad each other. Can you tell how windy it is out here? Sorry about all of that, but stay with me. If my hair isn't too much of a distraction, stay with me. Everybody is in this contest to see who's been most abused, who's been most betrayed, who's been most hurt, who has the greatest enemy, who, all of that. All of that is, how are you? All of that is a contest. And the contest is raging. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. But what is it gaining us? I mean, what? We've all got stories. We could all roll out the scrolls. We we all have histories. We've all got baggage. We've all got luggage that we haven't unpacked. We've got baggage that hasn't even been packed yet. We have stuff that's still going to happen that hasn't happened yet. And then what? Then do we use that as a weapon against the next person who comes along? Do we use that as another reason to shut our hearts down again? Or to shut it down either further? Or to put another brick in the wall? Is that what we do? And if we do, how does that benefit us? What do we gain? Or does it bring us any closer to the love that we keep saying that we want? Or even more importantly, that we keep saying we deserve? Does it get us any closer? If we're actually going to get closer, we have to rethink our strategy and do something different, irrespective of how we feel. Because our feelings are legitimate. They're ours. They're real. They make sense. They matter to us. And they're never going anywhere. And ranting about them and re-imprinting ourselves with the pain and with the negativity and with the toxicity of it isn't benefiting us. So what do? Well, I have a few ideas about that. One of which is we have to frame the story in a way that actually does benefit us, that actually does aid us in becoming the loving partners that we say we want to be. We have to do that because what we're doing so far isn't working. Maybe I should have picked a less windy day. But what we're doing so far isn't working. So now what? We just have to. And we don't have to lie. Nobody's suggesting that you lie. But you do have to tell the story in a way that actually benefits you. So, once you actually do that, then when you choose to engage with other people, you can meet them where they actually are instead of where you expect them to be because of your history. We have to start meeting people where they are and not where we expect them to be. because our history will teach us all kinds of crazy things about people, about the things that they can do to us, the things that they will do to us. It'll condition us to expect negativity or toxicity. I feel like I'm in a wind tunnel. Oh my gosh. How about this? How about for now, I just turn this off and go inside so I can quit fussing with my hair, okay? And we'll pick this up. I promise. I'll be right back. Don't go too far, okay? I'll be right back. Bye bye.